Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to find the biggest of given two numbers. I am declaring a variable a equal to eval of input of enter the first number. I am closing this input statement and the eval function. Input statement which display the string in the console to the user, enter the first number will get displayed. When user enter a number, the input statement always receives it as a string that is converted into appropriate numerical data type by using a eval function. For example, if you enter 15, there is a string here that is converted into an integer by using this eval function. If you enter a decimal value, fractional value 15.4 or any decimal value, floating point value, that is converted into appropriate floating point number and store it in the variable a. Likewise, for a variable b, eval of input of enter the second number. I am closing this input and the eval function. Likewise, when user enter the second value, by seeing the console enter the second number, you will enter the second value. Input statement receives it as a string that is converted into appropriate numerical data type and store it in the variable b. Now I am going to use a if-else statement to compare the value in the variable a and b. Here, if statement, if for by condition, I am giving a condition a greater than b and you have to give a colon. If a greater than b followed by a colon, this is if statement, and if a greater than b is true, the statement under the if block will get executed. To give a scope for the body of the if statement, you have to give a tab space. So by giving a tab, I am writing a print statement, print a. That means the value of the variable a will get displayed, followed by the string is the biggest number. So the value of the variable a followed by a string is the biggest number will get displayed. Now I am writing a else block, else colon. If the condition is true, the control will transfer to the else block. Here I am writing a print statement, tab space, print b is the biggest number. Closing double quotation and closing the print statement. So if a greater than b is false, the control will transfer to the else statement and will print the value of the variable b followed by the is the biggest number. Why? A greater than b is false. Now we can say b is greater than a. So it will print b is the biggest number. This program compare two unequal numbers and print which one is the biggest. If a greater than b, the condition is true, then the statement under the if block will get executed, print a is the biggest number, value of the variable a is the biggest number. if a greater than b is false, the statement under the else block will get executed. The value of the variable b followed by the string is the biggest number. Now we will take some sample input and check how this program works. Case 1, here enter the first number. I will get it in the console. I am entering a value 100. So a equal to 100. Enter the second number is displayed in the console. I am entering 50 for b. So a is 100, b is 50. Now I am checking a condition. If a greater than b, 100 greater than b means 50, greater than 50. Condition is true, then I will get a result. A is the biggest number. So 100 is the biggest number. We will take another sample input. Case 2, for a I am giving 100, b I am giving 200. Now to check a, if a greater than b, that means 100 greater than 200. The condition is false. The statement under the else block will get executed. Print b. b means 200 is the biggest number. That's it. This Python program is logically correct. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.